Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuja Singh and today we are going to discuss our next experiment for the lubricating oil, and this is known as cloud and pour point analyzer or the apparatus, in which we use to determine the cloud and pour point of the lubricating oil. So this apparatus can be used for both thick as well as thin oil. So single apparatus can be used for determining the cloud and pour point of the thick as well as the thin lubricating oil. So first, what is cloud and pour point? So cloud point is that point temperature at which the liquid show the haziness or the cloudy appearance, and pour point is that temperature at which the oil ceases to flow. So let me explain you about the instrument. So this is the metallic body in which we used to place the ice for cooling this apparatus, and this is the test jar. So this is the metallic body, it is the covering for this glass jar. So this is made up of steel, and in this glass jar we used to fill the oil up to the mark. You can see the circular mark here. Till this mark we used to fill the oil, and this is 54 mm. So this much uh, we can fill the oil, and this is the wooden cork which we use to close it, and this rubber is used to fix it into this metallic jar. So because of this fixing, oil will not fall off. And this hole we used to for thermometer for recording the temperature of the oil. So as you can see here, I have fixed the thermometer in this test jar. So the mercury should touch only the top of the oil. It should not touch the bottom of the jar. We have to record the temperature of the oil. So, and you can see here in this we used to fill the ice to maintain the temperature. And we can also use one thermometer here to record the temperature of this jar, but that is not necessary. Only we are interested in recording the temperature of the oil. So this is all about the instrument. Now experiment wise, what we have to do, we have to fill the oil up to the mark, fix the thermometer, and put it the ice and keep it inside it. Now, so as the temperature goes down, we have to record the reading. So how we have to record? So about the thermometer, as you can see, we can record from 20 degree to minus 80 degrees centigrade, and this thermometer has a readability of 1 degree centigrade. So we can record minimum 1 degree centigrade from this thermometer. So now we are fixing the oil. So what we have to do? We have to check the flowability. So what happens? We have filled the oil here and tilt it. So when we tilt it, the oil will flow like this. Like this is the sample oil. So when you tilt it slightly, it is flowing. Means it is not freezing. It is now in the liquid state. So this is the condition in the room temperature. But when the temperature will fall down, it will start showing the haziness or the waxiness, or it crystallizes. So at that temperature, when this cloudiness will appear or haziness will appear, that you have to record as a cloud point. But when you will the temperature will fall more down, so what will happen? This will oil will stop flowing. Means it will not, when you will tilt, it will not flow. It will like freeze. So that temperature is known as your pour point. So this is all about the this instrument. Thank you.